Kyk net hoe mooi word die tuine in stand gehou. En dit is loewergroen hierso in die hart van die Bosveld. So mooi vir my om te sien. Ek is natuurlik mal oor 'n mooi tuin. Daar is die swembad. Ek het nou heerlik afgekoel. Nou is ek op pad terug na my chalet toe. 'n Lekker braaivleisie is nou op pad. Look at this beautiful camping area. Plenty of trees. More than enough shade. Really, this is a beautiful place. I've done in excess of 560 kilometers thus far, traveling in the lodge. And tomorrow I'm going to add another 200 k's, God so willing. I'm just sharing the park with you. It's such a lovely place and very clean and very hygienic. Enjoy the rest of your day, Estie Kotse.